Lakewood? Ang layo naman ng Lakewood. Ayoko sa Lakewood.
Saan tayo, Ate Elnora?
Saan?
Saan tayo?
Teka nga, teka sandali. Hinahanap ko pa.
So, hindi muna tayo ngayon magsi-sit down video, okay? Hindi tayo magme-makeup, mag-ano tayo, gagala tayo ngayon. Lalabas
Gala-gala.
Gagala kami natin. Tine-check pa ni Ate Elnora yung tawag dito, yung location ba ng pupuntahan namin. Pupunta pala kami sa
Mas malapit ang Lakewood.
malapit pa.
Lakewood, Arvada.
Okay, pupunta kami sa Asian store, international store. Bibili kami ng mga Philippine food, ha? Sige, mag-drive ka na.
Naka-neutral pala ako.
Yan.
Okay. We're on.
We're on the way.
Turn left onto West 41st Avenue. Then turn
Tapos
right.
nakalimutan ko pala yung wallet ko. Joke lang. Nandito yung wallet ko.
Saan daw tayo? Diretso. Wells Fargo. We'll go to Wells Fargo.
Mr. Sun. Ganda ng sasakyan natin, Nora. Ayun, o. Yung ay!
Meet my caddy, Katie. This is Miss Katie. My car. I call her Katie.
Continue on North Harlan Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Yay! We're ready out. I have a seatbelt and we're ready. Woohoo!
We are ready.
Stop guys, stop light. Red. Ayan, naligaw na kami. Yung driver naligaw.
Sabi ko parang alam ko itong lugar na to. Ba't pa ako napunta dito sa lugar na to?
Naligaw yung halatang hindi hindi lumalabas eh. Naligaw. Naligaw ka. Ayan, nag-stop muna kami sa gilid ng kasada kasi mali yung namin, destination namin.
Oo, naligaw kami. Wait.
No, si Ate
Sandali,
Elnora.
ano ba naman yan? Kainis naman to.
Kauwi lang namin ng trabaho tapos sinantay ko lang si Ate Elnora tawag dito? Kasi nauna ko sa kanyang umuwi ng 1 oras. Si Ate Elnora dumiretso na sa bahay. Sinundo ako para pumunta kami sa Asian store, H-Mart.
Toward Abode Street.
So nandito na kami guys. Hindi ko alam kung pwede dito mag-video. Naligaw kami ng 3 beses kaming naligaw. So nandito na kami. I'm not sure kung pwede bawal ata ang camera dito. Tago lang natin. Okay, I just got back from H-Mart and this is what I got. I got Dada Puti Vinegar sausawan ba sa Pilipinas. May siya. Yan, may sili-sili. So finally, I got this. I wanna try it to chicharon. chicharron with this. And also, of course, Silver Swan soy sauce. And I want to try this for my rice, nor seasoning. Big bottle. And 2 Ligu sardines. I grew up with this, one of my favorite sardines from the Philippines. Ligo. And the noodles, the type of the noodles, like pancit canton noodles, the yellow one, done like these yellow noodles, not the white one, the bihon. He doesn't like the bihon noodles. He like this one, the yellow one. And I got 2. And also I got different one. This kind of noodles. It's like more yellow color, and then the noodles is like round. And hot dog. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. So finally I got hot dog. And also clover chips. So I already eat it when I got home. I'm excited, so I eat some of it. And also Dan's favorite seaweed. He likes seaweed. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye! Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Don't say if.